right.
Oh, I think. Oh, it's me. We need a net. Yeah. Don't let down. Oh. No.
You got when you get them when you come in.
Oh, I got it. Oh, it's big.
Oh, big.
Man.
Oh, he's
Big fish. You want a picture?
Yeah.
Oh. Sure. Oh. Yeah, you want to? Oh, it's cool. Yeah.
Oh, almost got off.
Yeah. Oh, it's not here.
Deep, leaving deep.
Yeah.
That's good in this one. It's 4.
Oh, 5.
That's a 5.
5.
5 pounds.
Yeah, 5 pounds.
Pretty big size.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I could keep it, but I don't know. I don't really like to keep big fish.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes you leave the big fish to make it bigger. But
Not outside, it's inside. Oh.
yeah,
Inside. Oh. Too hot. It's fine.
it looks really good. So. Alright. Oh, look, got a hook good this time.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it. Alright, look at that. It's a pretty good size. Man, this one hooked good on it. Christian.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My pleasure. Oh, it's strong.